Hello, I'm Steve and welcome to our channel Patio Heat, where we provide a visual concept of infrared heating as well as tips for ideal patio comfort. Check out our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Kindly consider tapping that like button if you find this video helpful, as it helps others find our channel. Now let's get heating. Alright, so here we have the residential application, and I received the floor plan as well as elevations, and I appreciate that. So this structure here, let's go ahead and look at the overall dimensions. I have about 10 foot high here on this structure here, and then 10 foot 1 inch wide, 10 foot on the fireplace, and this mimics the same as the dimensions of that side. Also about a 16 foot throw from this edge here to this edge over here. All right, let me turn that off. And the customer had indicated that this is on a up on a bluff or a hillside, and they have a pretty strong predominant wind that comes up this. I'm just going to assume that the wind's coming up from this area here, but that this is a windy area. So normally I would put something more like the infrared dynamic sun glow units in an application like this, just so we can get better coverage out here in the middle. However, you know, these are gas heaters, so gas heaters have a open flame inside here that heats up the emitter grid, and that gas starts to blow around. In higher winds than 10 miles an hour, they become less efficient, so I would recommend that they do not use that in a windy area. So what we have here is the Infratech. These are CD5024, 5000 watt, 240 volts. You'll notice that I removed one rafter in here, and that's because of the issue with clearances. Also, I've taken the brackets and changed the brackets to the 2-inch extended bracket, and that gives the clearance that we need with this 30-degree angle tilt off of the ceiling, and also the clearance behind the unit as well. So what we have here is here's the clearance in front of the unit and down below. Now we are penetrating just a little edge over here and a little edge over here, but I'm assuming that this is a non-combustible structure right here, and there's probably, you know, a stud that goes through the center. That's not an issue, but we are missing the wooden structure over here, and we have a little bit of hit right around here, but I don't think that's going to be a big issue. You definitely want to just verify that with your inspector. You could change the angle slightly so that you know, we're not hitting back here with that clearance, and this will, you know, become not penetratable here. So this is a 30-degree angle at the 2-inch extended bracket. Let's go ahead and look at the clearance above. So clearance above, you can see we had 6 inches behind, and then 6 inches is what we need above. However, with the OEM bracket that comes with the unit, we would penetrate about a ½ inch up here, so that's why, or rather I think it's 1.5 inches. That's why I went with a 2-inch extended bracket that the manufacturer does make, and then you can just attach that up here to these eaves up here, or rather lattice work here. So all right, let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat that this would provide for this application. The reason I chose the 5000 watt unit is because the throw is a lot further out here, and you can see that I'm getting kind of a double penetration over here, just slightly. Now this is a light wave. Light waves, as they travel, they bend, stretch, and diminish in their output. And this is about the maximum throw on a 5000 watt unit for a comfortable outdoor, you know, area in, let's say this is probably Southern California here. A 10-foot throw is about what you can expect to be the most ideal, you know, comfort intensity that you're looking for. But as you go beyond that, you really need to get some overlapping rays, and that's what this is going to provide. You'll see that this is going to provide some overlapping rays so that you know, you are hit from two sides, and the intensity is much stronger with the distance that you're away and the double penetration. So that's what we're kind of looking for. But that would be and all of a sudden also I do have this just centered within the space here, and I think that would be applicable for this application here. So all right, well, if you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you would like some assistance, we'd be happy to review your plans. Send them to designs at patioheat.com. I'm Steve. Thank you very much, and don't forget hit that like button. I appreciate that very much, and have a great day.